Get ready for a burst of flavor. Today, we're unboxing the Fruit Surprise Box, a world of fruity fun that's sure to brighten your day. This isn't just any fruit box. It's a curated selection designed to introduce you to exciting new flavors and fresh, healthy options. It's for anyone looking to add more joy and nutrition to their diet, and you're about to see why it's so much fun. The anticipation is real. Let's dive in. First up, a layer of familiar favorites, promising a sweet start to our unboxing adventure. But the Fruit Surprise Box truly shines when it reveals its hidden gems. Look at this. It's so exciting to discover fruits I've never tried before. Wow, just look at this vibrant array of colors and textures. From the bright reds and yellows to the deep purples and greens, it's a feast for the eyes. Now for the best part, the taste test. Each bite is a new adventure, a delightful explosion of flavors. Some are familiar, and some are wonderfully unexpected. Beyond the delicious taste, these fruits are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're a fantastic way to naturally boost your energy and support your overall well-being. And the fun doesn't stop there. You can enjoy these fruits in so many creative ways: smoothies, salads, or even frozen treats. The possibilities are endless. This Fruit Surprise Box truly delivers on its promise of fruity fun. If you want to experience this delightful journey yourself, check out the link in the description to order your own box today.